Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. Today in this video we'll talk about the courses and campuses which you will get after cracking your TISBAT exam. So guys, stay tuned with me. Here we go. So first question is, what is TISBAT? So guys, it is Bachelor's Admission Test, a national level entrance exam which is conducted by Tata Institute of Social Sciences. It is held in across 21 cities. After cracking it, you can secure your admission in undergraduation and post-graduation integral program. So what are the programs, that is courses, and which are the campuses that offers this course? So friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे आफ्टर क्रैकिंग टिस्बैट हमें कौन से कोर्स मिलने वाले हैं और वो कोर्सेस कौन से कॉलेजेस हमें ऑफर करेंगे, दैट इज कैंपसेस. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दी कैंपसेस. सो गाइज, यहाँ पहला कैंपस है तुलजापुर विच इज लोकेटेड एट उस्मानाबाद, महाराष्ट्र. Guys, this campus is known for its rural development course. This campus situated in a geographically isolated area, but it is the home to variety of flora and fauna. Here have many different natural sites and spots. The campus is sprawling in the land space of 100 acres. So moving forward, the next, Guwahati campus. It is established in 2010 at Assam, northeast of India. It is affiliated to Guwahati University. It is sprawling in the land space of 24.5 acres. So guys, these are the two campuses which accepts TISBAT score and provide you admission in the courses like Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences, that is for 3 years, and Bachelor of Arts in Social Work with specialization in Rural Development, that is for 3 years. So here guys, the Guwahati campus offers only one course, while Tuljapur offers both the courses. And for this course, this campus have 60 seats. And for these both courses, it has 60 seats overall, that is 30 seats for each program. The first one is Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences, that is for 3 years. So guys, in the first and second year of Social Sciences courses, you have to study topics like sociology, economics, political science, history and psychology. In second year, you can choose any 3 out of these 5. While in third year, you will have interdisciplinary subjects like environment, development and gender. Here student also studies the subjects like mathematics, biological, physical and chemical sciences, languages, literature, applied statistics and research methodology. In the last semester आपको फील्ड बेस्ड रिसर्च दिया जाता है जिसमें आप अपना स्पेशलाइजेशन चूज कर सकते हो. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स इन सोशल वर्क, दैट इज फॉर 3 years, where you will get specialization in rural development. फ्रेंड्स, इस कोर्स में भी आपको सेम टॉपिक मिलेंगे, दैट इज सोशियोलॉजी, इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, हिस्ट्री एंड साइकोलॉजी, एनवायरमेंट, डेवलपमेंट एंड जेंडर. ये सभी टॉपिक्स आपको सेम मिलेंगे एक्सेप्ट फील्ड वर्क. सो गाइस, सोशल वर्क स्टडीज में आपको फील्ड वर्क दिया जाएगा जो कि लास्ट सेमेस्टर में आपका फील्ड वर्क 6 months के अराउंड होगा. यहाँ टॉपिक्स रहेंगे लाइक working with individual and family or groups, social welfare, field work experiments, rural development skill, agriculture and wash, health policies, education policies, human rights law and social work. So guys, after this course you will have some career options like advice worker, civil service career, charity officer, community development worker, equality and diversity officer, research assistant and various posts in government sectors. So guys, this is all from today's video. If you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the below comment section. So guys, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates regarding TISBAT. You can join our online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and full course. You can attend our live lectures also. Visit at manuveredu.com/BBA entrance. For online program, you can call us on 8828581455. You can also join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.